I'm usually starting the tour of ancient Acre, the Knight's Hall, in that room. Today I decided to end with it. Now if you look at that room, you will see that it's beautiful, but there are no windows. The only air connection is above us. Then you cannot escape from here. And if you cannot escape from here, it might be a prison. Then, true or not, we don't know. But so many people believe that those halls were to hang the people, the prisoners here. I don't know if you saw movies, but you know, movies that love to laugh at the past. For example, Monty Python and Brine of Life. Then you can see the old man that looks that he's here in the prison, let's say in the prison for like 20 years with long beard, usually naked. And he talks with a new prisoner. Always look at the bright time of life, side of life, Then this is the end of my tour at the Knight's Hall. If you like it, subscribe my channel. No tourists in Israel now, then you are the only tourist. Do that. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.